If you're still resizing Excel columns by dragging them one by one, you're doing way more work than you need to. Let me show you a much faster way. For individual columns, just move your cursor between two column headers until you see the double arrows. Then double-click. Excel automatically expands the column to perfectly fit the data. And if you're working with a whole table and want to resize multiple columns at once, simply select the columns. Go to the Home tab just here. Click Format over here and choose AutoFit Column Width on the list, and poof! That's it. No more long-winded manual resizing. If you want more great office tips like this, like this video and hit that subscribe button now, and you'll become a real office wizard yourself.